Congratulations, you've all completed the Week 12 assignment, which was your large comprehensive evidence-based practice, and that is now behind you. But now it's time for the next step. Once evidence has been evaluated and once it's been reviewed, it needs to be disseminated with others, so that if you found enough evidence to change a practice or support a practice, you share that with others as well. If you are a face-to-face student in the hybrid component, you will be bringing some of your work with you. You do need to plan ahead. So you'll notice that this is worth 6 points. 3 points of that is what is done in terms of summarizing your overall study, and that is the same whether you are online or whether you are a hybrid student. And then the other 3 points is your response and interaction to others as they are sharing their study as well. So what you need to do, and for hybrid students, this can be an electronic summary. This does not need to be a paper that you physically print off. And for online-only students, you'll be submitting this into your discussion page. This is in a discussion page. You'll go down to your response here. Please make sure that when you enter yours, if you're an online-only student, that you enter it as a beginning of a new thread for your summary and not just continual replies into responses on other people's pages. So just keep an eye on that you're starting a new thread when you place yours, so that comments underneath make a little bit more sense and are easier for everyone to follow. But you do need to include a very brief summary that has your PICO question, between 1 and 3 sentences of some of the background and significance of why that's even a question that needs to be addressed or asked, 2 to 3 sentences per theme you identified in your literature review, and then a full reference list. You don't need to have in-text citations throughout this first part of the paper, but a full reference list. And that allows people to look at your findings. If they want to learn more, there's a long list of sources that they can review to find out more about the intervention and find out what other evidence is out there already. So if you are a hybrid student, you will have this prepared ahead of time, and we'll be doing an activity in class, I think pair share model based on this. For those of you who are online only, please again make sure you submit this as one single posting in the discussion posting starting your new thread. And then what you'll do is go in and make sure you comment on at least 5 classmates' summaries so that you can see what your classmates have done as well and all the evidence that they have found.